Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the controller vibrations on your Nintendo Switch. So maybe you're playing like a first-person shooter or something else and it's just getting a little bit annoying. You can do this on the system level, or most of the games will probably have an option to turn off your vibrations, but on the Nintendo Switch system level we can scroll on down. Go down to controllers and sensors. And then here's the specific setting right here. It says controller vibration. We can turn this off or on, and you'll feel the vibration when you turn it on. The vibration feature will be enabled on supporting controllers during gameplay. Vibration for alarm notifications can be changed in notifications/alarm. So a lot of times I like to turn this off in first-person shooters because it gets a little bit annoying because you're shooting so much and it could cause your aim to drift or just miss by the small amount of movement on the controller already. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.